Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here. So we're just gonna hop straight into the video. So today I'm gonna be doing a braid out for you guys. So I think I'm gonna do about probably 8 braids, just like 8 plaits, not cornrows. I think I'm gonna do 8 of them, 4 in the back and 4 in the front, but I'm only gonna be using one product, the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream by the Creme of Nature Pure Honey. So as you guys know, in my last video I did a review of 3 of their products. So now I'm going to review this Twisting Cream, and that's the only product I'm going to use besides water. Well, water's not a product, but water and some oil for my scalp. And yeah, so but before we get into the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below on one of them sides, turn the post notification bell so you know when I post my videos, and let's get started. Okay, so my hair, this is day 4 hair, and surprisingly it still looks pretty good, but in the front here it is kind of like frizzy looking, like that right there. So yeah, so I was like, let me try to prolong this wash day, and today's only day 4 hair, so I was like, what could I do? Let me do a braid out. So we're gonna get right into it. So I'm not even gonna use a comb to part because yeah, I'm just not going to. I'm just gonna use my fingers because it's just plait, so it doesn't have to be, you know, neat. And I think I want to do a middle part. But I always do middle parts. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a middle part. So I think my middle part is still kind of there from when I did my wash day. Yeah, it actually is, so that's good. So I'm just gonna section off the front and the back. So this actually might be more than 8 braids, but we'll see, because my hair is pretty puffy. So yeah, okay, so this will be one. Hopefully I brought enough scrunchies with me. 1, do the other side. Ooh, okay. 2, give me an A. Oh my goodness, I look like somebody, little kid. Okay. Oh, and then split the back in half long ways, and yeah, I think, oh wait, no, that's not even really. Alright, so I look so funny right now. This is really cracking me up. Okay. I cannot with my own self. Okay, so then we're gonna split this in 2 and put this here. Alright, so we're gonna start back here with this one. This one section is gonna be one whole braid. So yeah, so open this. Y'all, if only you guys could smell this through the camera. It smells it smells literally so good. Like, it smells so good. And the directions say scoop a liberal amount into your hand and smooth downward on small sections of damp hair using fingertips. Then twist, shingle, coil, or wash and go. Or you can use this on a wash and go. That does make sense. Okay. Do not rinse, air dry, or diffuse. For curl elongation, use a blow dryer with an iron. We're not doing all that. Alright, so as the directions said, apply on damp hair. So we're going to get our handy dandy water bottle. And just spray. Try to get it as damp as possible, but you don't want it drenching wet, because yeah, you don't want that. Alright, so that seems damp enough to me. And then we're going to take, oh wow, this is so thick, you guys. We're going to take a good amount here. Come on. Oh no. Guys, I almost dropped it. It slipped off my, woo-wee. That would have been a waste because it would have went in the carpet. Now we're just going to take it and apply it to the hair. Ooh, get out of the way. Take it and just work your fingers through it. Okay, I didn't really expect to lose any hair, but and then you don't need to brush it, but I'm just going to, just to make sure that all of the knots are out, and I feel like this will define my curls more. And then I'm just gonna take it, and split it into 3 sections and just braid it up. I actually think I put too much twisting cream in that one because it just feels really heavy. And I'm not even gonna put anything on the ends. I'm just gonna braid as far down as possible. I'm just gonna twirl the end like that. Boom! 1 grandma plait out the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that throughout my entire head. Okay guys, I'm finally done. These are what the big old braids are looking like. I feel like if I would have did these neater, like in like a reasonable size, this would have actually turned out pretty cute. This may be a hairstyle one day, maybe. But altogether I did 5 in the back and then 3 on each side. The back getting it into 4 was just too impossible because like this top part right here, it'd be so thick. So 5 back there and 6 up here, so I have 11 braids in total, and this is what it's looking like. And then I did go ahead and just oil my parts. And guys, remember when I told y'all these products will go a long way? I don't think I said it, but I'm saying it now because my whole head and all I used was this corner. Like that's literally all I used. So yeah, you don't need a lot for each section. Well, depending on how big or how small you do them, but like a quarter size goes a long way. And then make sure You have your water bottles. You can dampen each section as you go before you apply the product. And yeah, so I'll keep these braids in for maybe about 2 or 3 days, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you what the results are, and I'll take them out on camera. And yeah, so see you later. Hey guys, so it is now 2 days later. Today is May 18th. It is Monday, and we're gonna take out these grandma plaits to see how this braid out turned out. Oops. So I'm actually gonna start in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the back, and as I go along, I am just going to put some oil on my fingers as I take each one out to reduce frizz. Okay. And oil also gives your hair some extra shine. And then what I'm going to do is put these 2 pieces up here and oil this scalp line. Massage it in a little bit and just take each one and kind of pull and coil. I'm trying to sort of finger coil it kind of, but it's not really going to because my hair is dry. So but this shine is something serious. You guys will probably be able to see it more once I get closer to the front. Where'd the last piece go? Oh, now I saw a whole nother piece back here. Just kind of take it apart little by little. By the way, if you guys do hear banging, I apologize. My mom for getting the front yard done, some landscaping. So yeah, that's what that banging noise is. Guys, these are the final results. I'm pretty sure this braid out was a success. Let me zoom in for you guys. Like, look at this. It's so cute and I love it so much, and my hair is so soft. I'm in love. And I will say that Twisting Cream did a great job. And the oil, I used the oil one to help reduce frizz and to give my hair some more shine, and it did the job. So yeah, this is what is going on with this, and we're gonna see how long this actually lasts, because when I put the braids in, that was day 4 hair, left them in for 2 days. So today's actually day 7 hair, and this looks pretty good to be day 7 hair, but that is because I just took out the braids. So over time, over like a few days, I will like take the curls apart more, but I didn't want it just so frizzy on the first day, especially because I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and chilling with Lex today. I do hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, the subscribe button, and also leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.